As one of the leading hotel projects, Crowne Plaza Tuzla Viaport Marina delivers maximum comfort in heating, cooling, and fresh air through the advanced Hisense 3-pipe system.
Hello, you are currently at the Crowne Plaza, surrounded by the sea on all sides. A magnificent hotel equipped with more than 330 indoor units and more than 20 outdoor units and state-of-the-art Hisense 3-pipe heat recovery VRF systems. The main challenges here are high temperature, humidity, and being located in the middle of the sea. Because our hotel is surrounded by the sea, we were initially concerned about heating performance due to the high levels of humidity and salinity in the air. However, once we began using the systems, we saw that the heating performance was truly outstanding. The standard rooms are larger than usual. Within the hotel, there are restaurants, meeting rooms, the lobby area you see here, suites, and a fitness center, many different zones. Even our rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows and spacious layouts reach the desired temperature in a very short time. Especially this lobby area, with its 8-meter ceiling height, poses a significant challenge in terms of heating and cooling. Thanks to Denizle specialized ventilation solutions and the high efficiency offered by Hisense systems, we've been able to overcome these challenges remarkably well. Particularly during seasonal transitions, this level of comfort comes with very low energy costs. The biggest advantage is energy efficiency. Our operating costs have dropped significantly, and the system is extremely easy to control. This hotel, equipped with Hisense 3-pipe heat recovery VRF systems, stands as one of our most prestigious projects. An invisible comfort that can be felt at every moment.